Welcome to TAO, the Tech and AI Observer podcast, where we dive into the latest in tech and AI news. I'm Sarah, your host, here with my co-host, Mike.
Hey everyone, I'm excited to learn about what's happening in the world of AI and tech today. What's first on our list, Sarah?
Let's start with Google's approach to AI and its impact on their workforce. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, mentioned the rise of vibe coding, which is making software development more casual and experimental. Tools like Cursor and Replit are making coding more accessible, but skilled engineers are still crucial as AI transforms development.
That's interesting. So how is AI affecting Google's workforce?
Pichai stated that over 30% of Google's code is now AI-assisted. He also downplayed concerns about AI causing massive job cuts at Google. Instead, he sees AI as a productivity booster that will lead to more product development and, consequently, more jobs.
So, despite recent layoffs, Google is actually planning to grow its engineering team?
Exactly. Pichai highlighted ongoing innovation in areas like Waymo and YouTube as evidence. While there are concerns about AI's impact on jobs, he remains optimistic about AI's progress, even though there's uncertainty about achieving artificial general intelligence.
Very forward-thinking. What's next?
Next, we're talking about Amazon's development of AI software for humanoid robots. According to reports, they're working on robots that could potentially replace delivery workers.
Wow, that's quite futuristic. How are they testing these robots?
Amazon is creating a humanoid park, an indoor obstacle course at their San Francisco office, to test these robots. This aligns with their strategy to integrate AI across operations, like in stock rooms and warehouses, to speed up deliveries.
Has Amazon made any official statements about this project?
Not yet. They're keeping it under wraps for now.
Interesting. What's the next topic?
Moving on to AMD, they've acquired Brium, an AI software optimization startup. This is part of AMD's effort to challenge Nvidia's dominance in AI hardware.
How does Brium fit into AMD's strategy?
Brium specializes in retrofitting AI software to work with different hardware, which could help AMD compete by enabling AI software designed for Nvidia chips to run on AMD hardware.
Sounds like a smart move. Has AMD made similar acquisitions recently?
Yes, this is their fourth strategic AI-focused acquisition in 2 years.
What's next on our list?
Let's talk about Anysphere's Cursor platform. They've launched version 1.0 with several updates, including BugBot for automatic code review and memories for recalling conversational context.
That sounds pretty advanced. What else is new with Cursor?
They've added direct code implementation within Jupyter notebooks and support for one-click Model Context Protocol server setup. These updates come after significant financial milestones, including a $900 million investment.
Impressive. What's next?
Anthropic has launched Claude Gov, a set of AI models for U.S. national security customers. These models are designed for strategic planning and intelligence analysis, handling classified material more effectively.
Are these models already in use?
Yes, they're already deployed in classified environments and have undergone rigorous safety testing. This move reflects Anthropic's increasing engagement with government clients.
Fascinating. What's our next topic?
Collibra, a data governance platform, has acquired Raito to enhance its offerings. Raito specializes in managing data access, which is crucial as AI increases data access demands.
How will this acquisition benefit Collibra?
Raito's technology will bolster Collibra's existing data access controls, automating them to meet the growing demands of AI.
Got it. What's next?
CtrlS Datacenters has partnered with the Bombay Stock Exchange to support its digital operations, ensuring reliable and secure systems for electronic trading.
Why is this partnership important?
BSE relies on top-notch technology for its financial transactions, and CtrlS is committed to providing high reliability and security for these operations.
What's next on the agenda?
Hugging Face has launched Smol VLA, an open AI model for robotics development. It's lightweight, with 450 million parameters, and can run on consumer GPUs.
How does small VLA compare to other models?
Despite being smaller, it reportedly outperforms larger models and is part of Hugging Face's expanding low-cost robotics ecosystem.
Very cool. What's up next?
The Indian government is launching 4 responsible AI solutions under its India AI mission. These tools focus on machine learning, bias mitigation, risk evaluation, and fairness assessment.
What's the goal of these solutions?
They're aimed at promoting safe and trusted AI development, with plans to release over 400 AI tools as open-source resources.
Sounds like a great initiative. What's next?
Klarna CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski addressed concerns about AI replacing jobs. While AI has reduced staff, human customer service remains a priority, and savings are being reinvested into employee compensation.
So Klarna is balancing AI efficiency with human touch.
Exactly. Siemiatkowski also highlighted the value of business people who can code using AI and expressed concerns about AI accelerating scams.
What's next on our list?
DeviantArt founder Angelo Sotira has launched Layer, a venture focused on high-end digital art display screens. They're designed for dynamic, code-based generative AI art.
How do these screens differ from consumer products?
They're priced at $22,000 and offer a premium experience, automatically sequencing art without compression, unlike consumer products like Samsung's The Frame.
That's quite the price tag. What's next?
Mistral AI has introduced Mistral Code, an AI-powered coding assistant for enterprises. It offers deployment flexibility and full-stack control.
How is it different from typical SaaS copilots?
It can run entirely within an enterprise's secure infrastructure and integrates 4 models for tasks like code generation and debugging.
Interesting. What's next on our list?
Nvidia has launched Llama Nemotron Nano VL, a new multimodal vision language model for intelligent document processing. It leads the OCR Bench V2 benchmark for document analysis accuracy.
What are its applications?
It's designed for enterprise use cases like contract review and compliance analysis, enhancing document workflows with speed and scalability.
Very useful. What's next?
OpenAI has enhanced its ChatGPT business plans with new features, transforming it into a comprehensive business assistant. These updates include connectors for integrating with internal systems and a record mode for meetings.
How many businesses are using ChatGPT now?
They've surpassed 3 million paying business users and introduced a more flexible pricing structure with credits for enterprise and team plans.
Impressive growth. What's next?
Reddit has sued AI startup Anthropic, accusing it of stealing data to train its AI models. Reddit claims Anthropic's bots accessed its content over 100,000 times without a licensing agreement.
How is Anthropic responding?
Anthropic denies the claims and plans to defend itself. Reddit seeks damages and an injunction.
Quite the legal battle. What's next?
Snap has launched a standalone Lens Studio iOS app and web tool for AR lens creation. These tools make AR creation more accessible to users of all skill levels.
How is Snap aiming to lead in AR?
By democratizing AR creation and releasing advanced tools for professional developers to build interactive Bitmoji games.
Sounds exciting. What's next?
AI voice startup Toma has shifted focus to car dealerships after discovering they were overwhelmed with phone calls. Their AI agent handles service scheduling, parts orders, and sales questions.
How did they make this shift?
The founders immersed themselves in dealership operations to understand their needs, securing customers, and $17 million in funding.
That's dedication. What's next?
Shanghai-based Univista Industrial Software Group is offering free access to its electronic design automation tools, a move described as a technological counterattack against U.S. restrictions.
How does this impact China's semiconductor industry?
It's a step towards EDA self-sufficiency, crucial for chip design amid geopolitical tensions.
Very strategic. What's next?
Wistron Corp, a Taiwanese electronics manufacturer, is raising up to $923 million by selling global depository shares. The funds will be used to purchase raw materials in foreign currencies.
What are their expansion plans?
Wistron is expanding its U.S. manufacturing facilities for Nvidia, producing high-performance computing and AI-related products.
What's next on our list?
Social Network X has updated its developer agreement to prohibit third parties from using its content to train large language models. This follows the acquisition of X by Elon Musk's AI company, xAI.
Why the change?
It aims to control access to the platform's data for its own AI efforts, mirroring moves by other platforms like Reddit.
What's next?
Industry experts at a BCIC summit highlighted that India's SMEs and MSMEs underutilize AI due to perceived costs and complexity. They urged viewing AI as a transformative opportunity.
How can AI benefit these enterprises?
AI can boost productivity by 15 to 30% through affordable solutions, adding $500 billion to India's GDP by 2025.
That's a significant impact. What's our last topic?
Despite a challenging environment for AI R&D in the U.S., North America continues to attract the majority of AI venture capital, with $69.7 billion invested between February and May.
How does this compare to other regions?
It far outpaces Europe's $6.4 billion and Asia's $3 billion, showing that investors still see the U.S. as the center for AI capital and innovation. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Teo.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We hope you found these insights as fascinating as we did.
Join us next time for more updates on the ever-evolving world of tech and AI. Until then, take care.
Bye for now.